Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Let us start. Whenever we are sending any email and there is there is options. We can track the log, which we can track the log. That section is called send logging, where it is. We need to check it first. Go to here, go to data extension content. Data extension. In data extension, if we create suppose the standard data extension here, and if we create a here, create from template. Create from template. If we notice here, there is a some template it is showing on it is a send log. What is the send logs? If it is send log, we create new data extension from send log. Click new here. You can just click next. Click next. Here, if you notice, here it has its contents. It is already a template data extension. And here inside it, job ID, everything email studio. Whenever we have sent mail, last name, every time it has a job ID. After we have tracking section, we have done yesterday. In tracking section, we have noticed it is called job ID. It is a list ID batch, ID sub, ID trigger send. It will come later and error code. This is the something. We are not required to go much more in depth. It's not required. If we click here click create, it is showing some exception. It is showing some exception, generic exception. All of you are able to notice that means from template. We are not able to create new log. We are not able to create new send log data extension. I have a notice sheet. It is showing some error. Everybody please respond. Yes? Yes, sir. Why it is showing error? The reason is that it is if we notice here, go to data extension and already every system, every account, it have already one data extension is there. That is a send log. Send log. If we scroll down here, it is part system 1 send log. Notice left side. This is the send log data extension. This is already created. It is only one time can create because that is already someone created when it is created. If it is, we go inside it. This data extension, it is a send log. It contains all records whenever we have sending mail and all records it store here. It is stored here. All data is, it has been every job ID, all job IDs are. Whenever we are sending any mail, it is a job ID, all records it is storing here. It is storing all records. When this account, all of the records are storing here. That is the reason we are not able to create. It is a duplicate. It is a central manage all log. Now if you go to theory section, just a quick question. Are we supposed to create this send log data extension like before sending an email or like after once when we send the email? Are we supposed to create it? We want to check on things. It will be much more clarification. Everybody know it. What is? The count is showing 8379. Total records 18,003. Just note down this 8379. Now how send log is working? Do you want to check it? We want to in content builder. In content builder, we want to create 18379. Just note down the number 18379. Now we want to create an now click next. Just this is the reason you have just noted everybody retained. Send log data. Return. We want to keep the record in the same log. Whenever we are sending mail to subscriber, we are keeping a log. If we do not check it, it will be not. Create the record in the same log data extension. It is a by default, it is a check. Return send log data, click next. Click it. It is a 1 minute. Last, all of the data you have kept. This is that something one is to find out. It is I think it is one category there. Subscriber. It has sent a mail. Now we can check it. This is the job ID. One thing, you want to go to data extension. Subscriber data extension. Now come to send data log. Send Log. I think it will be refresh. It may take some time. This data discount 1018. It will be, may take some time, but it will be refresh. Rec There is no such option. We need to check it. This data will be updated here. Whenever you have sent it. It has already tracking ID is there. Job ID has been created. That job ID, it will be that record, that data will be. This is the job ID. This is the job ID. This job, this the status. It's a code will be stored in the, all of the record will be stored in the send log. We will check it after some time also. If we now come to background of the theory. Send, what is this send log? Send log. It is on data extension inbuilt. It is a first time when the account has been set up. It is a one time. It has been created. It captures the relevant information of a subscriber to whom communication is being sent. We have sent communication. We have sent mail communication. It captures relevant information. All information. It should capture email or SMS data extension called send log data extension. Do the email or SMS, the log data extension. Extension is created by using inbuilt template. These data extension is inbuilt. Send log for and send SMS log for SMS, which is available for Email Studio. In order to record the log in the data extension, in enable send logging to a data extension is checked at the time of the sent mail. You have noticed when we have sent mail, there is a checkbox. In order to record the logs in the data extension, we need to checkbox. It need to be checked only following send supports and send login user initiated. Send trigger. Send a test send. We have sent mail through a test. It will come later. Guided send. Salesforce send different category of sends. It keeps all eyes log in the same log data extension. This is the some background information here. All of you can also just, this is the you need to know what is. Click on send log. Send log data extension. Scroll down. Send log. This is the data extension. This is expected. It should be updated. It should be updated. Click on it. Send log. This is a click on records. Click on Records. All the records it will be come to here. All records it will show only top 200 records are displayed. Top 200 records it will be displayed. And 1 to 200 and 18,379 we have done today, and it should be. That data will come here. That is expected it will be displayed. Count will be increased. Count will be increased because we have changed the send log. Now go to where it is working. How it is this data is getting updated. Go to data extension, click on subscriber, check in data extension on time. Jamala, are you following Jamala? Can you come to us, Jamala? Why is it? How we did? We can check, we can change that create. Click on create. You can, it will be protected not to create you, but just we want to say click. Since it is already there, click on template. Click on here. Click on template. And it will be noticed that this send log data extension. There is a two things on is a send log and it is a send SMS log. And another thing says on is a send log on is a send SMS log. And send log data extension. Another is a send log, the same log. Send SMS log is also there. When you want it in Mobile Studio and you want to treat it as a send SMS log. Now it is a send log. We supposed to create these as like standard templates before, like sending emails, though it is standard, but it will be why it is when this account, the account we all are using, when they have created, and that time this template they have used for the first time. Since it is already exists. Now we are not able to create because it is already exists. But first time we are used to create it. I mean, if it is a new account we are supposed to create by us and state completely new account, Marketing Cloud account, then you will be able to create. Got? Yes, someone is created. Click on. Now you try to click next. You are supposed to click it. Click next, click next. It will be. These are the by default property. If it is a click next, it is showing generic exception. It is getting on because these log, because the file log a log mechanism. You cannot keep the multiple enough to keep the multiple. It will be confused. Multiple locations, it is only one central log. Is there that is a send log data extension. It is a prompt template. It has been created and it is a centrally manage the all logs. This is the one that extra and if we create send any job highly. Now, if you try to send any new mail and then we have checkbox, which checkbox will be. That means if you check that checkbox, it will be created record of this email sent data, that communication record. It will be sent in stored in the same log. That is the information from here. I hope it is clear. Not here, but it is content. If you click on content, click on content. If you try to create a new mail, suppose you can create some content not here. Wait, it will refresh. Wait, it will. Wait, it will. Wait, it will. Wait, it will. Create mill. Estimally, you can choose the estimate because that is better. We go to here. I'll give you some name. $0.07. You want me to select any audience? Yes, you choose your data extension. Have you given the mandatory fields? Estimally, you are choosing the estimate. Anyway, you can try to send. I think on data extension, I can use this. You can use drag and drop. This is, if you select it, then it will be count will be increased. This is the actual returns and log it. Click next. Checkbox. Check why it is because some mandatory things we have not added during mail. We can edit it. Click on edit. Click on content builder again. Click on, or you can go to the one to be led. 3 mandatory things you need to do. Back. Click on back. Click on normal content builder. Click on normal. What's the top? Click it or otherwise. If it is, it is. I know. Do you think we need to edit the quantity? Because that click on estimate create. No click. Go to create drop down. Email message. Now estimate of yes, here is. It gives some name we need to save and edit. Now click on, there is a same drop down. We can drop down, save the same drop down side corner. Go to save drop down, not yet. What is it above next button, above next button. Click on drop down save and no, not here side corner. Click top down. What is it showing here? Save and send, click here. On minute, it is a height is not giving the option to ready because you have not given the edit option because you need to give the all mandatory content also. Otherwise, it will give the error. On minute on mistake. Can you go to the empty content builder? I'm not going back again from the beginning. You want me to go here? Be careful. It is not. You need to. We need to give the mandatory. Some subscribe profile center. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Why these options are not coming? Content builder. Look up. Let me check how these options you are not getting. Let me check my site also. We put a detection. Otherwise, it will be I got. Now it is showing here for your end. It is not. Can you stop sharing? I want to check it. Now we got it. Very good. How do you need to do? You need to click on the code icon, code symbol. Go to code symbol. It is a code symbol. U and symbol are dropped down. What is the mandatory? Physical mailing. At this required. Unsubscribed is required. These are the mandatory. U for sending mail. It is a unsubscribe mandatory. And profile center. And there is a profile center. These three are mandatory. Now you can go. Keep this and add subject line. Add subject line. Now say when next. There is a drop down in save. Say the drop downs. Go to save button. There is a drop down. Click on save and send. Save and send. Click next. Now select. Thank you. Now we'll go to events. We can check it. What is the expected? It is the same log. It will be count will be increased. This is the new mail you have sent. 2656. Now I should go to data extension. If it is not happened, we'll check tomorrow whether count is increasing. It is expected as per our knowledge. This same log count will be increased. That means these logs. Going to send log. Send log. Send log. Click on here. It is still showing same count. I hope it will be take some time. It said maybe we'll check tomorrow. It will be not down. 379. It should. It will be more. And can you click on side? Can you click on side? Click on edit. What happened? There are first few fields are fixed. First few fields are venue, but you can add some more fields like the phone number. How these are coming? These can be added. Because when you are sending the from profile from user profile, you can add additional field. These are the additional field. These are the field non-editable field. That is a compulsory. These are the fields. It has been customized. Someone can't be configured. I have to expect. Suppose you are sending them. You want to. You have in your detection is a city field, name field, country field. These are the fields. If it is already exists, those record will be trapped in the log. This state. Can you click on the logs? Click on log, record. Click on records, click on record. Record. Click. These are the first name. When you are sending, just scroll side. Scroll. Just notice these are the fields. Even if we set, if it is a matching field is there, of course. Data extension we have used for this job ID. If it is a matches, even those data will be here. Can you scroll down? You can scroll down, depending. This is showing top 200 logs. We will check tomorrow. We will check tomorrow whether this record should be increased. You have sent also. I have also sent. It will be another 2. 81. Count will be increased. It may take time. Retrieve the record count. If you log, but it will be increased. This is the topic. We have come some concept. We have get some concept of. We are moving to new topic. To send a mail. You have noted. Mail is an artist. Only single part. It has a multiple block of content. Multiple block of content. Altogether, it's a mail. What are these? It is a call. Content builder, content builder. Content. We prepare click side. Here. Note down the term is called content block. Content block. CV content block. And here. In a mail. You have noticed. There's some text message. Today, we will create one by one block and will be saving. Suppose it is in. It has to be. This is the, let's say here, in a mail. You can make it bold. Then make it idly. You can make it you underline. Or we can add a tabular also. Suppose I want to give the data. It is showing the data. Now in this table, you have. Sometimes you have noticed we have received the mail. Tabular data is there. We can give suppose. The table is creating now, or we can send it block settings. Here we can do some changes. Suppose we want to change the block background changing. We have to get border. Some border we are changing. Lots of configuration, we can do it here. Suppose it is a text, block setting, and HTML editor. Whenever anything is in behind the screen, HTML code is there. Whatever we have noticed in the browser, we understand one thing, that is a HTML browser, web browser, Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Internet Explorer. They understand only one language. They don't understand Java, Python, other technology. They understand everything only in the HTML format. This is the basic HTML. And here it is a tier tag. Tier means table row. Tier means table row. Tier means table data. It is a table. Hot is NBS. NBSP gives the pace action. SP, AMPscript, keep a pace character. Hot in keyboard, pace character. CNSP means pace. This is the hot we have written training topic, whenever being a pace. If we remove it, you will be noticed the pace will be done. Just notice it has in pace to give a pace. It is not taking place. You have noticed it. If we do it to MBS, it will be. Check and notice it takes the pace. This is the background HTML. We know this. If we engineer, we know something HTML, it will be always advantage. Because for formatting some fine tuning, basic HTML knowledge is required. What it is? This content block. This content block contents. It is a content. It is a block settings. It is a HTML editor. Now you need to save it. You can save it. You can save. It is give the content block save. Just click on save. If you are creating a library, anytime you can use it. Now if we go to Content Builder, Content Builder. On mistakes have done. That I should keep it inside a folder. Then it would be easy to find out. It would be inside a folder. Otherwise it would be difficult to. If I keep it as a common place, this is my tempted. I have created block. But whenever I will be used, I can use it. I have created a block, small block. It's like a laptop. Laptop is assembled with a small devices. Finally it assembled. And then it start or here we are going to learn. It's for small spots. That is called block. This is whenever you come to your content builder, first and foremost, you create you can create a folder. I have created here. No, keep going. If you notice here, I have created many content blocks. It is a text. You have noticed what are the category. It is a text. It is then upon free form, upon bot, image block, image carousel, 8, a btext template, text et, and also these are the different categories. These are the different category. Content block, you have created next. I want to guide you. Why it is a content builder, then content. Content builder, content builder. You can create a folder better because you are going to create all content blocks. But you will take side. There is a left side in the left hand. Click and create a new folder. For all content blocks, not in side in the click on the content builder, then click. In on top click. Click. Now click create folder. Give a name which you will be able to easily identify. Something. Content block. It will be a content block. You have to click on your folder. Just ticking. It will go at the below first time. I got. Now either folder is black. Now there is a drop down, go to content blocks. Earlier we have created content filter page. Email we have created. Now we are creating content block. And there is this pen scroll down, which is just scroll down. Scroll down at the end text. You can write some text here. You can write some text, any text. You can just do some format there, the board. I tell you some format you can do also. Next you can. There is a you can click on, you can add in set table, or you can do format, or that's it. All options are there. When you write with the behind the screen, some is table is writing. You can click on block settings. Because there is a giving some style. Here, if you can give some background, you can give border. Choose any. Now is the military. You have noticed it is writing a similar code for your contents. It is automatically. You are not. If you know it, you can change something in. You do not know it, you can from UI. Those who do not have family at the estimate, they can do everything from editor. Now you have created a content. Now you can click on the same. Click on save. Give a name. Give a name. You can. The left side, you can go to your folder. Click here. Back. You have already One template you have created, how you can do? You can use it. You can use it. Can I go side? Greet. Can I write? Email message. 1 minute template. Can you click on template? Not here. Not here. Click on text, text only. Click on text. We'll check it later. Don't worry. Can you click on that? Can you click on that? First, we'll focus on today to create all content blocks. Next, you can go there. And now click on content. It's freeform, freeform, and freeform. Here you can also write to do something. This is a freeform. It is quite similar, but it is, I mean freeform in the sense it will be like name, email or something like that. Collecting the data. Now click on block settings. Just click on save. Click save. This is a freeform category called freeform. I think it's saved. Next category we want to cut back to freeform is created. Content block. What is the next we should learn? The one is the HTML. We can go for HTML. There is all category. It should be a little familiar. Add. Listen here. Here is the option. Suppose a digital marketers company. Even many companies they have own. Is the graphic designer or web designer. They have created a template already. You are not writing here. You can drag and drop and paste. You can drag and text. You can click on 1 minute and back. Click here. Browser, click on browse, browse. Block content builder. Go to your content builder. What is your hot idea content builder? My folder. You have created. Sometimes you go a folder. Content block. No content. It is a this category. Do we have content block? It is a HTML because it is HTML. If you have suppose some HTML format already in your system. Even in your system it will come here. But it is a at present it's not present. Can you click on a select action? What is select action? Select action from your local machine. Suppose an HTML any format is there, but it is a text. If it is a HTML file, is it there? You can upload here. It is a HTML format. Or you can upload here. You do not have no problem. Just you understand. Now it is a close it. Cancel in the below left side below. Now here how to code. You can click here, paste code directly, or you can drag and HTML file is here directly. You can do it. You can check. Are you able to type here? Are you going to type? You are typing here. Or you can go to code. You go to code. And that is a AMPscript view. What is AMPscript? You can go to content. Click on content. There is a point is a code view. There is a man icon here. And the last is called AMPscript. That is a click on the person this person does. It is click on here from now. In not 8, I'll keep you on the chase to contact. 4, format, or case proper case. These are the all. It is a we write a this. If anything, suppose your name you want to use your name in the uppercase. You can use it. These are called AMP. This is AMPscript functions. AMPscript functions. You write suppose my name. You write first name. You just write name. You just write name. Use AMPs. You suppose uppercase. Write uppercase. 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 And inside it you give the click on man icon. Man icon. There is another icon. Code and person to say. Click here. Click here. Drop. No personalization. Click here. First name. Click here. First name. From where this is coming. From where it is coming. From where this is coming. Because it is coming. It is coming from your profile. It is coming from your profile. It is a rich profile. From profile it is coming. You can first name be inside this case. It should be inside. It should be inside. Now you can save it. You can save. Give me some name. It will be in future. It is a simple. Any HTML design already have done. By organization, they can use that design. They have a graphic designer or designer. HTML designer. It is a third category. It is called HTML content block. Next, we want to go to next one. Content block. Again, go to drop down. Content block. Next, we can go on to user image content block. Image block. Image block. Many cases we have to use in our email. We construct the email with lots of image. We receive many of image. You can select one image. Select an image as you like. Select it. That image is coming here. Now you want to change. You can change some dimension. You can swap. Image of border you can change. Any. Image padding. Any. You can have many things you can do. Block setting. A stimuli is, you can also get background also. Portrait background. A stimuli you can check also. It is writing the code behind the screen. It is writing all code behind the screen. You can suppose something you want to it. You want it through your email. Click on Estimate. Click on Editor. There is a code icon. There is a code icon. What is the mandatory code icon? Code icon. Code icon. Code on. Click here. It is a code icon. It is called code icon. Drop down. Drop down. Drop down. Drop down. Suppose fall down. System separate. System separate. System separate. System separate. Below separate. System snippet. What is the mandatory? Click on physical value. Got it again. Given the unsubscribe center and profile center and profile center. These are the three things you need to give. Now in the left side top, drop, click on save and send. You have created it. You have now dropped down, not save. Click and save. Partly can save it. No problem. You can save it. Any? Now click next. Now click on save and send. Save and send. It is showing save. No, you have created image blocks. You have created image block. All of these things you will use in the future mail because you are creating content builder. And we will in HTML, when in content, when we use it, we will use this. All content blocks, we should use it. Now create more content block. Drop, go to drop down. Button. Check button. There is a hot content block called button. Scroll down. Scroll up. Check. Where is the button? Button is there. This button in left side you can change. We have received many cases. Our button apply now. Click here. Apply now. In our mail, you have noticed some button here. The moment you are clicking, it is going to the new link. It is connecting the moment it's clicking. Suppose it's going to Google. Welcome. Suppose you're writing link your smallgoogle.com. You can write small. Scroll down. It's done. Block setting. Check estimate. It's already concerned. Why is the name can change? Book concentration. You can type name also change. It is a book a concentration. Now click on save. This is a symbol. But it is a button content block. This is a button. But all of these things will be kept over there and we create a mail. It is a small sparse. It's like you are going to prepare a card. You are making ready all prices. Next content block. Check what is the next content. You can social follow. Take the social follow. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Generally, we have noticed many person. We caught the mail or any company promotion mail. There is all. Social icons are there. When we click it, we'll go to their Facebook page. It will go to the YouTube page. It will go to that promotion company. It's a LinkedIn page. You have seen it. How it is using SFC. It can possible all of the insert the URL. If I click, what is the company URL? What is the LinkedIn URL? What is the Twitter URL? What is the YouTube URL? It will be, you can set up here. We are preparing a template for social follow. Today one company come. Then you go and here you can edit it and you can use it. It is a social follow content block. You can create a layout. Social share, social share. We tell you how to share. Share our Facebook. We can share our Twitter, share our LinkedIn, share. We want to follow up. All it is a share icon. Save it social share. Preform text is a simple text. Preform where we can give some design some. You notice the paint text that is called preform. You can create a no structure. Proper structure is a preform. You can create a text. This is not a general form. This is not a got. It is a layout menu. Whenever we are sending mail, which there is, a lot of templates are there, you can choose it. Suppose you are choosing the template. Choose one template. Go to here and select it. Suppose you are choosing this template. Your templates. It makes you easy. You can click here. You can change that. We can just do some template is already inside it. I think, oh, this is a good. My task is much more easy. Here you can do some change. It is text. Click to edit. It is now you are giving your text. You are giving your text also. Give you a text. Done editing. In the below there is a done editing. You are able to change. You want to give your image. You want to give your image, basic on image. Click on image block. Click on image block. You can drag and drop. This is the image. You can give your own image. Any image you can choose here. Salesforce. That image is from here. This is the new way you can change your layout. Add content to the layout. This is the just we need to do experiment. We can do as we like. You get familiar. Next day is sorry. I can take the yesterday today. We like an end. We need to take another one session that day. We'll use the A/B test. We have last day. We have to end here. Just give a brief overview of the A/B test content block. Content we learned. All of the things that we need to start coming here. One minute. I have to shift to the email. Go to email. In the email, there is an email studio. In the email studio, go to A/B testing. When we affect the everybody note here in every test, last day we have done. You have chosen email, but there is one section is called content area. Every test, we do every test. Multiple options like last day, we have done some sample emails using every test. Subject line, which will be better. Category A or category B, which will be better. Now we can, if it is our subject line is content area, suppose my here we test. And if it is a content area, I have created block. I have content is choose drive extension. Question email. Every test, because in here choose, I have created on every test message. If I notice here, this is the template I have created. This template I have already created from content block C on left side. It will be side. Now I can use it. I have created in content block where I have created go to content builder, go to content builder. Go to content builder and click here. Already, every testing a one category content block. I have created it. If I created it, I make it ready. I can use it. I want to create a new. Suppose I want to create another new. Every test content block. Click on every test. It is a every test means. Suppose you are sending mail, which customer will be more prefer one category. Suppose I am choosing like images, select one category. Second category. I am choosing second category. I am choosing Google. This is second category. I am creating a block. I make it save. Content block means I am creating the block, but I can use it where I will use during every testing for content with this content. Then we can use it. Next day will be. But now if I go to every test, example, suppose I am going to every test using content builder, we can use it because my template is ready. I can use it. I can reuse this content block to everywhere. I hope you got the idea. The next day will be start from here. It will take some time. Next day we will start from here. Is it for all of you? You are able to understand what we have done. One is a send log and next is we have started content block. Now we are preparing small section button text to HTML layout dynamic text. There is a more button. These are the things will be used to make ready a mail report campaign. We should make the email. This we are creating from these, utilizing these small things. It is like a small spices. It makes a good curry. It is a report to prepare the mail we are building. Content block concept got clear. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.